Anyone can make money in real estate during the last 2-3 years. Not that hard. But to do it over an extended period of time, that's where Sid comes in this group. They have all that experience to draw on. My name is Susan Mahoney. I'm an attorney specializing in real estate, and my practice is in Stoneham, which is right down the corner. I think the more that I talked to Sid, I felt like we had very similar investment strategies, I would say, and kind of very similar ways of doing business. And that's the other thing is Treetop has such a large network, so their development is focused in a very specific geographic area. So it's basic, in a little bit north of the city for the most part. So you develop those relationships with realtors, attorneys, with the different towns that you deal with on a daily basis. So those relationships they've built over time really help to smooth that process out. You always have to diversify your money. You can't ever put all of your eggs in one basket. So at that point, I had some extra money that was around, and I felt comfortable enough with him that, okay, this is a safe place to diversify my money where I can get a solid return. So in my experience, anytime someone goes silent on you, it's a bad sign. So the fact that I kept getting, this is where we are, this is what's happening, I felt like we were always going along, getting, step by step to the finish line where we needed to be.